This is Xavier Joshua, aka me and Xavier, playing trash can basketball. Dude, that one got some air right there. I believe. That's not fair.
It's covered.
Still missed it. Hey, forever.
I love to do what they call the famous 720.
Hey, have you ever seen 720?
That was a 360.
Watch this. From far, from far, from far, from far. Oh, gets the ball again. What about that? Oh, that was me.
Michael Jordan. That was Michael Jordan. That wasn't Michael Jordan.
Dude, here's a little extra.
Yeah, I made it.
Oh, that was me. That would have been in. So close.
Here it is. Alley, it's in the Josh.
Oh, what about that?
Go, go. Here, pass it, pass. Pass.
We're not using any of this.
Oh, yeah. Oh, here's a three-pointer. Da. Game over.